राजा बाबू चल गया कोई जादू, ना रहा दिल पे काबू, क्या कर गई हसीना।
His honesty.
Jaideep is a very adorable and jovial person. I really love him.
Okay, so the one word that best describes JD is funny, is hilarious actually. But before I discovered this aspect of him, I really thought as a big sister, I think it was my right to think that he is really irritating. Sorry. Unique.
Calm and collected.
Uncle.
Best friend.
Extremely funny introvert.
Patience.
Wise.
One adjective that describes JD the best is the fact that he's very rational.
एकदम झकास.
Actually, it's very difficult to describe JD in one word. Well-mannered and thoughtful. फिर भी दो हो गया.
Softy.
Creative. Very creative.
Astute. In Marathi, I have an adjective for JD. Khadad.
Witty.
Adjective for JD. Harami.
Bashful.
धड़कन जरा रुक गई है, कहीं जिंदगी बह गई है, पलकों में यादों की डोली, भीतर खुशी हंस रही है. This song reminds me of JD because every time it plays, actually he plays it to make me dance on it. That one. And one more, please.
Go ahead.
बहुत प्यार करते हैं तुमको सनम. The one song that best describes him is inspired by the numerous videos of JD pressing Divya's tired legs. मैं जोरू का गुलाम बन के रहूंगा. सारी दुनिया का बोझ हम उठाते हैं.
उड़ता ही चलूं इन हवाओं की तरह.
Okay, I'll add my answer on the song question. I can't know a specific song, but any song which has Devanand in it.
I don't know if there's a song, but any song by SP Balasubramaniam and the girl accent that he does.
I think a song to describe Jaideep would be, he doesn't like to be in the limelight but often fails at it. But a good song would be Bholi si Surat Aankhon mein Masti Dur Khadi Sharmaye. I'm not going to sing it. I'm very bad at singing. Another one, you can edit the video here if you want, is that I have often had stories with Jaideep where he has been in one situation or the other while driving, or something always happens with him while driving or while traveling. So I would also say मैं तो रास्ते से जा रहा था, मैं तो भेलपुरी खा रहा था, तुझको मिर्ची लगी तो मैं क्या करूं.
Is Insha'Allah from Welcome. I cannot sing it because I am in office, but Insha'Allah.
टिप टिप बरसा पानी, पानी में आग लगाई, आग लगी इस दिल में तो मुझको तेरी याद आई, तेरी याद आई तो.
वो तो है अलबेला हजारों में अकेला, सदा तुमने ऐब देखा, हुनर को न देखा.
One song that describes JD. I'm not sure if it describes him, but I think it might be one of his favorite songs. I know there's this movie Newton that he really loves, so the song Panchi Ud Gaya.
देखो शाम होने आई.
Hawa Hawa, because JD on top of a thela with a boombox, that is classic JD.
नागपुर की चाय यहाँ हर पोटा भाई, नागपुर में रहना हो तो कॉलर हो ना हाय.
So one song that describes JD the best would be Losing My Religion, and because I have seen him sing that song very passionately like no other song, and also I think the angst that the song has, perhaps he relates with that.
तेरी अदाएं हमें बेखुद बनाए, जादू चलाए कोई जादू चलाए, क्या कह दिया है तुमने ओ जानम, जब से मिले तुम्हें हम रहे नहीं हम, किया किया क्या किया क्या किया रे सनम, किया किया क्या किया रे सनम.
दिल चाहता है
तन्हाई में आवाज न दो, आवाज न दो, आवाज न दो.
Describe JD in a song. I think पूरी नंबर 1 का, मैं तो रास्ते से जा रहा था, भेलपुरी खा रहा था, लड़की घुमा रहा था, तुझे मिर्ची लगी तो मैं क्या करूं. In like easy words, JD is trying to tell people, mind your own damn business and let me mind my own business.
One song that would describe JD is मैं चाहे ये करूँ मैं चाहे वो करूँ मेरी मर्जी, only because we connect over those Devang Patel and Govinda songs.
The one quality of his that I would imbibe is firstly his honesty. He's too honest. And the second thing is how caring he is. Like he would always get up to give his seat to somebody else or give the last piece of pizza to me, but I would never do that. Like not even with him. So that quality of being a nice human, I would try and imbibe.
I like Jaideep's love for animal, his love for cooking, and his write-ups also. That's it.
The one quality of JD that I would like to imbibe is his ability to write with such wit and humor.
His amazing wit.
Patience.
I think it's JD's ability to be serious in like the craziest situations. I think it's that.
I think it's the ability to be able to cook his dinner every day, like every day.
Humor and generosity.
So one quality of JD is that I would like to imbibe is the fact that he's a people's person.
likability, his likability.
Patience.
JD's most enviable quality is of course patience, because
A quality of JD that I'd like to imbibe is his discipline, because it's something that I really admire about him. One quality that I would imbibe from JD would be his love, his ability to love, his warmth. I think he's so warm whenever we meet, and I think yes, that is what I would like to have from him, the warmth.
His sense of humor.
His patience and calmness इतने शोर शराबे में रहने के बाद भी.
I would love to imbibe JD's wittiness.
I'm not going to say out loud because I'm afraid of Divya. So I think she must have got it. The levels on these have gone up by brilliance in JD. Please Divya, don't kill me. Divya, I love you.
So if I need to imbibe something, a best quality of JD, so much of reading habit, trust me. So if really wanted to take something out of JD, so his reading habit.
I think best quality is his patience and his control over his emotion.
Oh, if he wasn't married to me, firstly, he would still serve chips from packets to his friends and make only one dish on his birthday. And also, there's so many things, yaar. I'm like the most entertaining thing that happened to him. contrary to what the world would like to believe. Maybe the best thing that happened to him. Okay, maybe not, but
Of course, yes.
okay, fine. And what else about his life? It would be calm, quiet. He would probably trek rather than go on holidays, and he wouldn't buy orange shorts and pink shirts. But actually, that's his own doing. Okay, that's it.
If not married to Divya, Jaideep would have married to a Marathi girl and perhaps led a comparatively quiet life. No, Divya, I was just joking. I cannot imagine JD's life without you.
So if JD had not married Divya, I think what a boring life, right? So devoid of drama.
Totally lackluster.
Life would have been dull if he hadn't married Divya.
If JD hadn't married Divya, his life would be extremely boring because I wouldn't be in his life.
I think he'd be less of an uncle. It would be definitely very different. But with Divya, there's quite a lot of spice that has been added to his life. And I will not just agree, I will not just say that it is just the Divya, but it is Mr. Kapoor, Mrs. Kapoor, Devika and Divya, all these people, the entire Kapoor family has added a sparkle to JD's life. So yeah, I think the group effect, but of course Divya has not just made change in Jaideep's life, but she has also made in our life as well. We are doing videos here. You guys are so made for each other. You complement so much to each other. So love being with you both.
Less jaded.
So if JD hadn't married Divya, he would have become the embodiment of a typical middle class Maharashtrian uncle, and his day would typically start with tea and newspaper, and of course checking horoscope. And he would become that uncle in the building who would complain about the parties, but which is contrary to what he is right now. So yes,
His life would be calmer and quieter.
If JD hadn't married Divya, then he wouldn't have met me and Chandni, but most importantly, he wouldn't have met me.
If JD hadn't gotten married to Divya, he would have gotten married to Isha Ambani. So his life would be much sadder for sure.
If JD hadn't married Divya, his life would be different because he wouldn't know about keeping up with the Kapoors. I mean, hello.
What?
सवाल तो जवाब तो दे.
Have you started?
Yeah.
No, I can't imagine JD without Divya. It's
Living in Canada, I've come to realize the importance of a bright and sunny day, considering we have winter 8 months of the year. So I think without Divya, Jaideep would be missing that sun and the brightness it brings in his life.
तुम्हारा ये क्वेश्चन ही गलत है दिव्या. सवाल ये होना चाहिए कि दिव्या तुम्हारा क्या होता अगर जेडी नहीं होता तुम्हारी जिंदगी में तो.
Become Moni Baba and take sannyas from this materialistic world.
I think if JD hasn't married Divya, his life would have been a very boring life, and I don't know, maybe little bit less chaotic.
वो नागपुर टुडे का एडिटर इन चीफ होता.
If JD hadn't married Divya, his life would have been too boring.
JD's life without Divya would be like pav bhaji without butter.
Mowgli.
If JD was a superhero, he would be Rajesh Khanna.
So if JD was a superhero, oh why? I mean, he's already a superhero in the dog universe. Please ask Champu.
Nana Patekar.
If JD were a superhero, he'd either be Captain Planet or Nick Fury.
I know Divya wants me to say Superman, but I low-key wanna say Shaktiman.
He would be Mr. Disdain, looks down on it.
I about superhero, but his superpower is to engage women in deep conversations at parties.
Caesar Milan, the dog whisperer.
If JD were a superhero, he'd be called Irony Man.
सुगमा काय करतोय?
मी अरे रौनक अगेन यार तुझे पुस्तकं नीट नसतात काय बोल.
One more question.
How many questions are there?
Answer it. If JD was a superhero, who would he be?
JD and superhero, these are like oxymorons, but I cannot think of JD being a superhero. It would be so fun. But I think I don't know, he loves dogs. He can be a dog man. I don't know, this was just typo. JD the dog man.
Superhero would be Hancock, because I think he would be generally irritated saving people and saving the planet.
नागराज, because I doubt किसी ने नागराज बोला होगा.
JD would be Hulk. Actually, he would be Eric Bana. So he would be pre-Hulk.
Yeah, I don't want to, compare JD with anybody. He's already a superhero for me.
I think he would be Ant-Man, so that he could become like this tiny in any social setting and situation and completely avoid people all the time.
Lalan Mia.
One superhero will be Human Torch from Fantastic Four, as he likes to play with fire as per his own wish.
If JD would have been a superhero, he would have definitely be a Shaktiman.
JD, I think, should be Shaktiman.
Happy birthday, Jedusha. I love you so much, and you're 40 now, even though you're dying to be 60. Usme hai abhi 20 years. But thank you for being so caring and loving and trying to make every occasion about me rather than you. Even today, I'm sure you have done something to make it about me. And okay, love you, Vinisa.
लहानपणी जयदीपला आंघोळ घालताना रोज मी त्याला ओवाळून असं म्हणायचे की बाळा मोठा हो, म्हातारा हो, उदंड आयुष्य लाभू दे तुला. आज त्याच्या 40व्या वाढदिवसाला मी आणखीन त्याच्यात ॲडिशन करते, म्हणजे कीर्तिवंत हो, यशवंत हो आणि आरोग्य संपन्न हो.
Happy 40th birthday, Jaideep. Wish you a life full of dog cuddles, free of bad bosses, and generally devoted to Divya.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to our dearest JD. Happy 40 to you.
Happy 40th, JD.
Happy 40 to you. Love you.
Happy birthday, JD. Here's to turning 60 as soon as possible.
Happy birthday, JD Bhaiya. Have a great day and a great year, and we all love you.
Happy birthday, Manjule. Lots of love.
Happy birthday, JD. Happy 40th. All of us are getting old, and at least you are aging better with probably the healthiest you have been in your recent times. So that's great. It's inspirational.
Happy birthday, JD.
Happy birthday, JD boy. You are not 60 minus 20. You are 20 plus 20. Cheers.
Happy birthday, JD. Hope it's an ultimate 40th, and hope we're having a blast at your place.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, JD. Hope you have a wonderful year which is full of lots of love and luck and a lot of smothering love from Divya, as well as from doggies, which I'm sure you'd love even more. And as you already know, and as I have repeated 100 times to both you and Divya, this party on 3rd August has to be a repeat of the 2018 party. So get ready.
Friends are स्पेशल पार्ट ऑफ आवर लाइफ. और फ्रेंड जो मुंबई जैसे शहर में फैमिली बन जाए. Blessed to have you in our life, JD. Lots and lots of love to you. Stay blessed. Wish you many happy returns of the day. तेरी हर ख्वाहिश पूरी हो मेरे दोस्त, जो तू चाहे. लव यू.
भाऊ, तुम्हाला 40व्या वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. आणि I hope that you can continue to be the person you are and continue to be able to digest all the Saujis and continue to crack amazing jokes, which brings so much joy to everybody. And I hope you continue to be patient with Divya because we really like you when you're with Divya.
Wishing you a very very happy 40th JD. May your health, wealth, your love life, your career get better from here, and may you reach stratospheric heights of success. Baki yeah, you should start showing up for friends more. Party kiya karo, humse mila karo.
Happy birthday, JD.
Birthday, JD boy. Have a great day and a year, and keep the wine flowing and the payment going. So, cheers.
Welcome to Club 40, JD.
Wish you a very happy birthday, JD.
Happy birthday, JD.
I hope this video has made your day, and Divya has put up a lot of efforts. Other than Divya, we all have put up a lot of efforts. So thanks to us, and happy birthday once again.
Bye. Bye.
Happy birthday with a short message. I love you.
Happy birthday, JD.
हैप्पी बर्थडे JD बॉय. 40 के हो रहे हैं हम सब इस साल, सबके सब एक एक करके. तो मैसेज का क्या बोलना. अभी मैं सोच रहा था 20 साल के ऊपर की दोस्ती हो गई, मतलब फर्स्ट ईयर कॉलेज से. तो मोर देन हाफ ऑफ आवर लाइफ टाइम्स वी हैव बीन फ्रेंड्स. बहुत मेमोरीज बनाए कॉलेज में. दिल्ली, गुड़गांव, गाजियाबाद, देहरादून, लॉट ऑफ फन. तो here's to 40 more years of friendship and a healthy and happy life. Cheers.
Happy birthday, JD. Wish you a very happy 40th birthday. See you in Goa.
A very happy birthday to you, dear JD. Love you lots. Hope you have a wonderful day and just stay the way you are. You're just amazing.